Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Medigus Limited ADR, and what you can see is a chart which is available from 2015 and it has been falling since then, and now probably it's trading at the lowest end of the range, and we are going to discuss about this trend and what are the levels one should expect probably in the time to come. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now, as you can see here, this stock is trying to make some base, okay, and trying to move on in the last couple of months. So first we are going to discuss about these levels because these are very important levels, and unless it crosses and sustain over there, we cannot expect a higher level in the time to come. So for the time being, you have $1.5 as your first support, then you have 1.25, and finally, because this is the last support at 0.8, so if the final support breaks, then that one should get out from that trend rather than thinking how much it should go on the lower side. Okay, on the higher side, you have your first target or resistance at $3.5, and then you have 5.1 or probably 5.2. So these are the two important resistance areas that need to be crossed, and once a breakout happens above $5.2, then these are the following levels which one could see in the days as well as in the months to come. So understand that these are all conditional levels. Okay, so let the stock sustain above one level or makes a breakout above one level, then think about another level, which happens in normal course of time. So if the stock makes a breakout of $5.2, then the next target or resistance will be for 9.9, then you have 17, then you have the next target at 43, and finally a 73. I will not go beyond 73 because this is a very big target even from the current level. So if you are expecting a target of 73, the stock needs to go up by 3800%. So this is a very long target, but as you can see here, there are lots of levels that the stock needs to cover over a period of time, okay, to make higher highs. So even if you are trading or holding it for a long term, it is very important to understand the situation here and the levels it should cross. So understand your support and resistance level, place your stop losses and trail it accordingly. It should not be like there is a one linear uprise on the higher end, and if it happens, it is a possibility, then the same probability appears for the lower end of the range as well. So you must cover both the sides, understand the risk, and then analyze the situation with both risk as well as the profitability which you are expecting over a period of time. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.